In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download OneDrive app. We'll walk through the entire process from opening your browser to completing the installation, so you can get OneDrive up and running with confidence. First, open your preferred web browser. Any modern browser will work. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before you begin, and consider closing other heavy applications to speed up the download. Next, in the search bar, type OneDrive download and press enter. You'll see several results, but look for the official Microsoft OneDrive download page. It should clearly indicate it's from Microsoft and mention downloading OneDrive for your operating system. Choosing the official site helps you avoid outdated versions or unsafe files. Click the official link to go to the download page. Once you're there, locate the button labeled Download OneDrive. The page may detect whether you're on Windows or Mac OS and offer the correct installer automatically. Click Download OneDrive, and your browser will begin downloading the installer file. If you're prompted to choose where to save it, select a folder you can easily find, like your Downloads folder. If your browser shows a download bar, you can also keep an eye on the progress there. When the download finishes, it's time to run the installer. You can do this by clicking the file directly from your browser's download notification, or by opening your Downloads folder and double-clicking the OneDrive installer. On Windows, you may see a security or user account control prompt asking if you want to allow the app to make changes. This is normal for trusted installers. Click Yes to continue. On a Mac, you may be asked to confirm opening a downloaded application and to enter your system password to proceed. From here, simply follow the prompts on screen. This usually includes agreeing to the license terms, confirming the install location, and letting the setup run. Keep the window open until the progress bar completes. The installer will handle everything in the background, and once it's finished, you'll see a confirmation that OneDrive has been installed. Depending on your system, the app may launch automatically. If it doesn't, you can find it in your Applications or Start menu. That's it. You've successfully downloaded the OneDrive app by opening your browser, searching for the official download, clicking the correct link, selecting Download OneDrive, running the installer, and following the prompts. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined file syncing with OneDrive.